In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update an app on Samsung phone. First, let's begin by opening the Play Store on your Samsung device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Once you tap it, the Play Store will load, displaying various apps and games available for download. This step is essential because it is the gateway to managing your applications. By accessing the Play Store, you're ensuring that you have the latest versions of your apps, which can enhance functionality, introduce new features, and fix any bugs. Now that the Play Store is open, look in the upper right corner for your profile icon. It usually represents your Google account. Tap on this icon to access a menu with various options related to your account and app settings. This action is important because it leads you to the section where you can manage your apps and see if any updates are available. By checking here regularly, you ensure your apps are running smoothly and securely. Next, you will see a menu that includes options like Manage Apps and Device. Tap on Manage Apps and Device. This section provides an overview of your installed applications and their current status. By selecting this option, you're taking a crucial step to ensure that your apps are up to date, which can help improve performance and security. It's a quick and easy way to keep everything running as it should. Once you are in the Manage Apps and Device section, look for the Updates Available option. Tap on it to see a list of apps that have updates ready for installation. This list will show you which apps need attention and help you prioritize which ones to update first. Being aware of available updates is essential because new versions may offer enhanced features, better security, and improved user experience. At this point, you will see a list of applications that have pending updates. You can choose to update apps individually or all at once. To update a specific app, find the app in the list and tap the Update button next to it. If you'd prefer to update everything at once, simply tap the Update All button at the top of the screen. This option saves you time and ensures that all your apps are updated simultaneously. After you tap Update next to an app or Update All, the download and installation process will begin. You may see a progress indicator showing the status of each update. This is a reassuring visual cue that your apps are being updated successfully. It's important to wait until the process is complete to ensure that all changes are installed correctly. Interrupting this process could lead to issues with your apps. Once the updates are finished, you will receive a notification confirming that the apps have been updated. You can now return to your home screen or app drawer to see the updated versions of your apps. Keeping your apps current is vital for performance, security, and access to the latest features. This simple routine can significantly enhance your overall experience with your Samsung device. In summary, updating your apps regularly is a straightforward process that helps maintain your device's performance and security. With just a few taps in the Play Store, you can ensure that you are using the latest versions of your favorite applications. Thank you for watching and enjoy using your updated apps.